Welcome everyone. We have started indefinite integration. So today I will solve some important problem of indefinite integral based on 10 fundamental integrals. So they are basic but important problem. Now look, there is a result, we have already stated it. To try to recall a result of log a to the power log x base a equals to x. This is result of logarithm. Now look, formula problem number 1, e to the power 3 log x into x to the power 4 dx. Now we can find derivative of e to the power x when x is linear, but here it is logarithmic. So our main aim will be to express e to the power this in simplest form using this result. So e to the power log x cube, obviously base is 3 if it is not given, x to the power 4. So finally e is same, so this is x cube into x to the power 4 dx. So x to the power 7 dx. So we have some standard result. We have to convert the integrals in terms of 10 standard integral. So now this one is standard. So integration is x to the power 8 by 8 plus. Now this is problem number 1. So number 2, look, e to the power x, a to the power 2x. Some student write integration of numerator, integration of denominator, but there is no such formula of integration. It is not like limit of numerator, limit of denominator. So anyhow you have to put it in standard integral. Now look, we can write it, this is e to the power x, so root e to the power 2x we can write, and this is a to the power 2x. So meaning remaining same. Now it is root e by a square whole to the power 2x dx. Root e by a square. So write root e by a whole to the power 2x. So meaning remaining same. Now we can use formula of a to the power x. So a to the power x, so root e by a whole to the power 2x by log root over e by a to the power x by log a. Then argument is 2x. So its derivative of is 2, so it will be half. Mind it, into half. So This one is not standard, so we can make it standard using application of indices. Now problem number 3. So all are 1 marks problem. Now we have already solved this. So e to the power log this type of problem x5 log x to the power 4 base is e to the power log x cube e to the power log x square. So dx. So x5 minus x square simplified form e same. This is x cube minus x square. So if you take x square common, x cube minus this is x4. If we take x4 common, x minus 1. And if you take x square common, x minus 1. So standard form is this cancel, x square dx. So x cube by 3 plus c. X cube by 3 plus c. Now look, last one. So we are beginning from simplest problem, but you need some conception. Now if we simplify it, so e to the power log x to the power a to the power. So a to the power log a to the power x, a to the power log a to the power a. In all cases, this is a. So this one is x to the power a to the power x, a to the power a x. So using fundamental laws, integration of first, second and third, omitting. So a is constant. Now base is constant. Now for the last one, a to the power a into dx. A to the power a not involving x and y. We are considering this as constant. So finally, x to the power a, suppose this is c1 by a plus 1. A to the power x by log a to the power a into x plus. So they are very simple, but you need concept of properties of log. Next, now you consider some basic problems. These are integration for beginners. So problem number 1. x4 plus x square plus 1 x square minus x plus 1 dx. So in derivative there is quotient rule, but so far we do not know any rule. We know only 10 standard integral, that is x to the power n. This is algebraic, so x to the power n. So simplifying, you have to convert it into standard form. So look, so our main aim is to cancel the denominator. So let us try to factorize. x4 plus 1 plus x square. So this is factor of class 10, you know. Class 8, 2x square plus x square. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now it is x square plus 1 whole square minus x square by x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now denominator is cancelled out. So how? If we factorize x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 is cancelled out, omitting one step. Now this is standard form, because this one x cubed by 3, this is x square by 2 plus x plus c, integration of dx dx. So anyhow you have to put it in standard form. Now consider problem number 2. So here look at this step, d of x4, that is integration is taken with respect to variable x4. So x4 d of x4 is positive, but it is x square d of x square. So we use this method. This is called differential property, d of x plus y. D means differential, dx plus dy. Number 2, d of xy, x dy, y dx. Now d of, if we write x4, this is 4x cube, then derivative, it is not derivative, differential, d of x, so dx. For example, d of log x, it will be 1 by x into dx. 1 by x, then dx. dx, differential. So we can write it in this form. So look, d of x4, this is 4x cube dx. Now it is very simple, x to the power 7 plus x to the power 5 plus x cube dx. Then complete it. So if it is other than x, we can use this relation. Now problem number 3. Now 1 plus x square cannot be factorized. This cannot be factorized. So anyhow, we have to express it in standard form. So try to understand. Here it is 1 plus x. So you write 1 plus x square by x square into 1 plus x. Then this by this. So 1 plus x by x square into 1 plus x. X square by x square into 1 plus x dx. Now 1 by x square, this is 1 by 1 plus x. So both are in standard form. Both are in standard form. So x to the power n, this will be x to the power minus 1 by 1. So dx by linear is log x plus 1 plus c. Now problem number 4 and 5. They are of center. Suppose problem number 5. 8x plus 13 by 4x plus 7. So what is our standard integral? This one, using algebraic, first degree algebraic. So it is 4x plus 7. So try to express numerator in terms of denominator. So 4x plus 7. Now it is 8x. So 2. So 8x plus 40. So minus 1. 4x plus 7. Now look, adjustment should be done with the help of constant. We are taking it 2 into 4x plus 7. We are not taking 4x plus 7 plus 4x plus 6. So adjustment should be done. So 2 outside, this is root over 4x plus 7, and this is dx by root over 4x plus 7. Now both are in standard form. This is ax plus b. So 2 into 4x plus 7 whole to the power 3 by 2 by 2 by 3 into, mind it, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Half, so 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. And this one is 4x plus 7 whole to the power minus half plus 1. This is half. So it will be 2 into 1 by 4 plus 6. So this one is also same. So using x to the power n. So beginner's problem only. Now we consider some trigonometric functions. Integration of some trigonometric functions. So mind it, we know only 10 standard integral, 6 trigonometric and 4 other, x to the power n, e to the power x, a to the power x, 1 by x. Now problem number 2. Cos inverse sin x dx. So this is not standard. So using trigonometry, inverse circular function, we know sin x is cos pi by 2 minus x. So it is absorbed pi by 2 minus x dx. And pi by 2 outside, integration of dx is x. And this is minus x square by 2 plus c. This is 1 marks problem. Now we can perform sin inverse cos x, cos inverse sin x, tan inverse cot x, cot inverse tan x, cosec inverse sec x. Because you can convert it in terms of cos, then you can integrate. Next, this is problem number 2. Now, problem number 7 first. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So integration is performed with respect to x. Therefore, we consider alpha as constant. So what will be our main aim? To cancel denominator. Now cos 2x. So in terms of cos, formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha. So 2 common, 1 cancel. So cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So 2 outside. So integration cos x dx plus 2 cos alpha outside dx. This step to be noted. Integration is performed with respect to x. That is why cos alpha is constant. You do not write that integration of cos alpha is sin alpha. Someone write this one, cos alpha dx equals to sin alpha. But this is not the case. You are performing integration with respect to x. Now finally 2 sin x, 2 cos alpha into x plus c1 plus c2, this is c. So finally you are getting answer. Now problem number 8, this is exactly same. You complete it. Expand formula cos 2x in terms of cos and denominator will be cancelled out. Now problem number 6. This is most important problem also. So 1 plus cos 4x, cot x minus sin x. So 1 plus cos 4x, cot x minus tan x. To simplify, cot x minus tan x. So 1 plus cos 4x, 2 cos square 2x, and 1 by cos x. Sorry, cot x is cos x by sin x minus sin x by cos x dx. So our main aim is to put it standard form using simplification. So 2 cos square 2x sin x into cos x is LCM. Now this is cos square x minus sin square x. So look, 2 cos square 2x. Suppose cos square 2x. 2 sin x cos x. It is sin 2x. Sin 2x. 2 cos square 2x. Sin 2x. And this is again cos 2x. So finally what we are getting, look, cos 2x into sin 2x. So dx. Obviously there is a dx. So this is half of sin 4x dx. Half. Now it is standard form. Now it is in standard form. So it will be 1 by 8 cos 4x plus 6. Obviously there is a negative sign. So what is your main aim in each case? To make it standard form using simplification. Now problem number 1 and 5, they are of same type. They are of same type. So problem number 5. So a cube plus b cube. So you know this one is 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x by sin square x cos square x. So cos square x plus sin square x whole cube. This is 1 3 sin square x cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. Now look, this is dx by sin square x cos square x, and this is minus 3dx. Now this one is standard. Now you have to put it standard form. Now it can be written as for 1 sin square x plus cos square x dx, since denominator is sin square x cos square x minus 3 of dx. Now finally you are getting 1 sin square x, 1 by cos square x. This is sec square x. Sec square x. And this is cosec square x minus 3 of dx. Now all are in standard form. You can put value. So this is tan x, this is minus cot x, minus 3x plus 6. Now listen. This one, dx by sin square x into cos square x. So we can write it 4 by 2 sin x cos x whole square. So 4 by sin square 2x dx. So 4 cos x square 2x dx. Now what is integration of cos x square? So minus cot. So 4 into minus cot 2x by 2 plus. You can also use this one. Look, in integration, answer, form of answer may be different. If you use this technique, you are getting answer in this form. But one can be converted into another. If you simplify it, you get the previous answer. Now this one is also same. Now look, problem number 4. You complete one. Problem number 4. So this is well-known formula. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Cos inverse. Sorry, this is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This equals to cos 2x. You know. So this is cos x by 2. Cos x. Sorry, what is formula of cos x in terms of tan? 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is x dx. So x square by 2 plus. So you need formula. Now the 3 tan inverse integration 1 minus sin x cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. You know it, sin x by 2 whole square. So for 1 cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. Now if no quadrant is given, we suppose 0 less than x less than pi by 2. So this should be noted. So x by 2 lies between 0 to pi by 4. So cos x by 2 greater than sin x by 2. So here this is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Since it is in first quadrant, we suppose. Otherwise you have to take mod. And this one positive, this one positive. So root over is positive. So if it is 0 to pi by 2, we always take cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Then you complete it. 1 minus tan x by 2, 1 plus tan x by 2 dx. So this is tan inverse. Tan, omitting one step, pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. So this is our main aim, to express it in terms of tan. So pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Now it is standard form. You can easily integrate it and you will get answer. So these are most important problem. You need only simplification and make it standard form. Now you consider some basic problem of same type. Now cos square x dx. Cos square x dx. Now we can integrate cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, but not cos square x. We cannot take it cos x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 because cos x is not linear algebraic. We have already stated. So what is our main aim? To express it in terms of standard integral. So using trigonometry, this is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, half balance. So now half, this is x, and half of sin 2x plus c. So this one is not standard, but using trigonometry, this is standard, this is standard. Similarly for sin square, it will be only minus. Now 3 cos cube x dx. So 1 by 4, 4 cos cube x dx. So why we are taking 4 cos cube x? Look, we have a well-known formula cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So what is 4 cos cube x? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Now you cannot indicate this, but indicate cos 3x and 3 cos x. So that's why. So cos 3x plus 3 cos x. These are simple, only based on trigonometry. Sin 3x by 3 plus 3 sin x plus. So similarly, you consider. So 5, 6, 7, 8, they are of same type. You have to express it in terms of multiple angle. So take any one of them. 5 suppose. Cos to the power 4x dx, not standard. So 2 cos square x, we know formula. So it must be balanced by 1 by 4. Now 1 minus cos 2x whole square. So 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2x, cos square 2x. Now you know integration of this, but cos square 2x it is not known. So use same technique. 1 by 8, 1, this is 2 minus 4 cos 2x, 2 cos square 2x, omitting one step, 1 plus cos 4x. So total bracket dx. Now 1 by 8, 2 plus 1, this is 3, 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x. So all are in standard form. Cos 4x, sin 4x by 2, cos 2x by 2, so 3x. So you can easily integrate it. So they are of same type. You complete the rest part. Now consider 1, 2, 3, 4. They are of same type. So they are given in product form. You have to use 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a cos b, 2 sin a sin b, and this is product of 3 sin. They are of same type. Express it in terms of multiple angle in plus form. So suppose 4. So half of 2 sin 2x into sin x, and this is sin 3x. So half of 2 sin a sin b. So cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Then sin 3x. Now it is again in product form. So 1 by 4. Take greater angle at first. Sin 3x this 2, and this is 2 sin 3x cos 3x, and total. Now 1 by 4, 2 sin a cos b, so sin a plus b, so sin 4x plus sin 2x minus sin 6x dx. So all are in standard form, so you can easily integrate it. So cos 4x by 4 sin, this is also cos 2x by 2, obviously here also negative, and this is cos 6x by 6 plus 6. So they are very simple problem. Problems of beginners. You complete the rest. Now, same problem, same type of problem. So problem number 1, 2, 3, 4. They are very simple. I have already considered it. Look, 1 plus, suppose sin x dx. So this is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Actually it is not. Actually it is plus minus. Plus minus. But I have already stated in previous problem, if it is not given, it is in first quadrant. So in x by 2 in 0 to pi by 4. So in 0 to pi by 4, cos is greater than, cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. So that is why we are taking in this form. So if you write the restriction, it will be better. So what is integration? 2 sin x by 2. This is 2 cos x by 2 plus 3. By 2, derivative of cos by 2 is half, x by 2 is half, so it will be reciprocal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they are of same type. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are of same type. So consider problem number 9. So if you write it in terms of 1 by cos, you get cos x by 1 plus cos x. So this one, it is general. So rule is, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos x. Why? To put it standard form. So look, after some step, it will be in standard form. Now denominator is 1 minus cos square x, so sin square x. So this is our main m, cos square x. Cos x into this. Now this one is single, so term by term. So cos, this is cot x and cosec x. This one cos by sin, and this is cot square x. So now, so cot x cosec x. So minus cosec x by a because it is a, and this is cosec square x minus 1. Now finally minus cosec x by a, cosec square, so cot minus minus plus cot x by a plus x plus. Now for this problem a equals to 1. So similarly for other. In case of, if denominator it is 1 plus sin x, we multiply it by 1 minus sin x. Then try to make it in standard form. Now we consider problem number 1 and 2. They are of same form and most important for board and competitive exam also. This is a typical type of problem. Now cos 5x plus cos 4x, 1 minus 2 cos 3x. So if you use cos c plus cos d, denominator is not cancel out. So look, so here this is 2 cos 3x. So recall, you multiply it by sin 3x. Sin 3x, 1 minus 2 cos 3x. And for this problem, if it is cos 4x, so you multiply numerator denominator by sin 4x to make it standard form. See, and it will be clear after one step. So sin 3x cos 5x plus cos 4x dx. Now formula of sin 3x, this is sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x, this is sin 6x. And it is suppose sin 3x and cos 5x, cos 4x. Next step, our main aim is to cancel the denominator. So sin 3x to sin 3x by 2, cos 3x by 2. 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos x by 2. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos 9x by 2 into sin minus 3x by 2 dx. Now these two cancel. Cos 9x by 2 cancel. Sin 3x by 2 cancel. So we are leaving with minus, this minus outside, minus 2 cos 3x by 2 cos x by 2. So this is minus 2 cos a cos b. So cos a plus b, cos 2x, 3x by 2x by 2 plus cos a minus b. So this is our main aim, to put it standard form. Now it is in standard form. Sin 2x by 2 sin x plus c. You remember this one. So today, through this video, we have solved some important and interesting problem using 10 standard integral. These are beginners problem. So all problems are important. Thank you for today.